Hey there. Today we are looking at this incredible best Afeev 5Kw. This is considered a total must-have for this year. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. Talking about quality, it is absolutely impressive. They used high-grade durable materials built to last. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The actual performance is where it truly shines. The interface is intuitive and works right out of the box. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: this offer won't last. Grab the discount via the link below and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.